Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, lesson number 9, social health. In this lesson, we are going to learn social health, stress management, and factors endangering the social health. So, let's start the lesson. Now, elders always instruct you to get out of the home to interact with relatives and other and play outdoor games, but not to spend time continuously with television, phone, and internet. Nowadays, you are busy in your mobile phone only, isn't it? And our elders, our mother or our father always instruct us about not to entertain or not to get busy in mobile phones. So why? Because it affects on our health, it affects on our mentality also, so that they restrict us to use the mobile purposefully only. So, why the children of your age are instructed same in each home? Our lifestyles has been changed to some extent in this age of technology. Each person is busy with own daily routine work and favorite job only. How much is it scientifically correct? It is scientifically correct because, as just we discussed about mobile phone, it affects on our life, it affects on our body, it affects on our mentality also. So earlier we have studied the importance of physical health, cleanliness, and staying healthy. However, the concept of health does not end with it only. So the concept of health includes all these factors. It includes our mentality, our cleanliness, our physical health. So we must be stay healthy. So let's classify your classmates into following group depending upon the observation for a week. See, a big chart is given here. Let's see: highly interactive, occasionally interactive, and non-interactive. Who is highly interactive in our class? I think Avishkar Kale, isn't it? He is highly interactive in our class. Then occasionally interactive, occasionally so many students are there. And non-interactive, Narole, isn't it? Narole is very non-interactive student in our class. So you can also classify your friends depending on the observations as highly interactive, occasionally interactive, and non-interactive. So make a list of your friend and suggest them a remedy, because everyone should be interactive. इंटरेक्टिव रहना ही चाहिए सबने. So let's see. Here a big table is shown which shows us factors affecting the social health. So which factors affects the social health? Education, financial status, gardens, social and physical condition of the surrounding, social environment of the surrounding, residential area, जहाँ हम रहते हैं, that area, water, toilets, political condition and political views, playgrounds, social treatments, social safety, transport facilities, education and job opportunities, satisfying basic needs of person, that means food, clothing and shelter and medicine. So all these things which are seen around us affects on our social health. All these things are depend how our health is developed. So out of these various aspects of social health, we thought about only one in above mentioned activity. Social health is the ability of a person to establish a relationship with other person. Social health means it is the ability. This is the definition of social health. So let's repeat it again. Social health is the ability of the person to establish relationship between other persons or the relationship with others. Ability to change one's own behavior according to the changing social conditions is an important characteristic of social health. So various factors like strong personality, having large number of friends and relatives, proper use of time during loneliness and with peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for others are important for good social health. So we should accept the thoughts of other people also. We have seen that various factors affect the social health. So let's see the various factors which affects on the social health of the person.